This is Victorine, and I'm just going to do this video talking about using attraction marketing to grow your online business. When you come online, attraction marketing is very important. No matter whatever business you are doing, whether it's coaching, marketing, internet, online, everything that you do, it all is part of attraction marketing. So the first thing that you have to do when you come online is brand yourself. What does your profile or your fan page say about you? When somebody goes on your Facebook profile or on your fan page, what does it say? Your profile has to resonate with them. Your profile everything matters that's on your profile. Your timeline, maybe somebody can look at your timeline and they are not sure about who you are. What image do you have on your timeline? Your image in the online market really matters. What you have to know your niche. When people come on your Facebook, Facebook profile, can they take you serious? What does your about page say about you? If your audience is women or your audience is single parents, do you speak to their need? Provide value to your niche. That is how you attract people to come to your page and then ask you what you are doing. Go back to your profile, do your homework, fix your profile, update your profile, define who your audience is. You cannot come on Facebook and you want to talk to everybody on Facebook. It does not work like that. There are over 2 billion people on Facebook. So pick your niche and stay within your niche. Provide value to them. If you want to do e-commerce, there are thousands of products on e-commerce that you can find your ideal customers to sell to. Who is your ideal customer, or who is your ideal person that you are trying to talk to? You want to solve their pain, you want to solve their struggle, you want to solve their challenge. So talk to the people. For me, my ideal person is a woman like myself who is working hard and wants to provide for their family. That's my ideal audience. I have to speak to that audience so that they can I know their pain, I know their challenges, and I am obligated to provide the value and solve the problems when I talk to them. With all that, it will help me to build trust with that niche market. They have to get to know you. People don't buy from strangers. People buy from people they trust, they know, and they love. For me, my ideal customer is a parent. My ideal customer is somebody in the healthcare profession. That is who I'm speaking to. My ideal customer is a wife. My ideal customer is a mother who wants to do something for their family. If that's you, click on the link below, subscribe to this channel, and every time I come online to provide value, you can also be part of it. You are not for everybody, and not everybody is for you. So make sure when you come online, brand yourself, know your niche market, speak to that market, provide value, provide solution to their challenges, provide you are the pain killer to their pain. You are the balm to their wound. You are the solution solver. You are the person who provides solutions to their problems. So if you don't know your niche market and you don't know who you are talking to, then you will be all over the place. Using attraction marketing to grow your online business is very important. So if you come online and you just want to scatter your link for your opportunity everywhere, and you just want to talk about your opportunity, your product, your this, it does not work. I'm telling you, it does not work. I feel bad when I go to like Facebook groups. I see people that are just like splashing their links everywhere, talking about their company or talking about their products everywhere. It does not work like that. You have to build relationship, and you have to focus on your niche market. There are so many people out there. You have a share in the market. So don't panic that only the leaders are getting the results. You too, if you do the right thing, you learn the right skills, you'll be able to get the results. So If you want more value, click on the link below, subscribe to the channel, and whenever I come online, you will be able to get more value. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Until next time, bye for now. Subscribe to the channel, click on the link below, and I'll have more information for you just to help you succeed and grow your business online. Bye for now.